In today's video, we're diving into some of the most incredible modern technologies, working day and night to pull millions of plastic pieces out of our oceans. Hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update on how tech is transforming our planet. Let's kick things off with Jenny, a game-changing device that's reshaping ocean cleanup. Imagine an 850-meter-long floating system being towed gently through the sea. That's Jenny. Designed with care for marine life, it extends 3 meters below the surface, but leaves the bottom open so fish can swim freely. Attached to 2 slow-moving vessels, Jenny creates a natural current that funnels plastic waste into its arms, called wings. All that debris is guided into a central area known as the retention zone, where plastic gets trapped. Once a week, the vessels come together, gather the collected waste, and use a crane to lift it onto the deck. After sorting and separating materials, the plastics are sent back to shore for recycling. Efficient and eco-conscious. Meet the next-gen skimmer from 4 Ocean, a sleek, 22-foot-long vessel equipped with powerful retractable arms. With a nearly 13-foot wingspan, this compact unit scoops up massive amounts of trash fast. Plastic flows in from the front and is lifted via a conveyor belt into giant sacks. Once full, the onboard crane swaps the sacks so the skimmer can keep collecting non-stop. Just a small team runs this entire process. No need to chase waste. Mr. Trash Wheel waits for it to come to him. Stationed at river mouths, this solar and hydro-powered machine uses containment booms to direct floating debris into its massive mouth. Even when the water current is low, solar panels kick in to keep operations going. From tires to tree branches, the conveyor system lifts it all into a barge. Once full, it's towed away and swapped for an empty one. Small but effective, the Seaben acts like a vacuum for the water's surface. It pulls in floating trash, catching plastics as small as 2 millimeters. Even microscopic filters are on the horizon. Running 24/7 and costing just $1.5 a day to operate, this tool is ideal for harbors and marinas. Quietly, it works around the clock to protect marine life. During India's monsoon season, flooding sweeps garbage from streets into rivers. The cleantech infrasystem traps that waste with side gates and moves it onto a conveyor and into a large tank. Capable of loading up to 21 boats a day, it collects everything from plastic bottles to discarded items and even removes aquatic weeds from narrow water channels. Finally, meet the Watermaster, a multi-purpose amphibious machine that can walk into water thanks to its hydraulic legs. It dredges silt, removes trash, clears invasive vegetation, and even builds riverbanks and flood defenses. With interchangeable tools and remote controls, it's like a Swiss Army knife for water bodies. And the best part? It doesn't need a crane or tugboat, and it moves, anchors, and operates all on its own, saving money, time, and the environment. These powerful machines are doing more than just cleaning. They're giving our oceans a second chance. If you found this video inspiring, smash that like button, share it with fellow eco-warriors, and don't forget to subscribe for more world-changing tech updates. Thanks for watching, and remember, every action counts when it comes to saving our planet.